Hello students, welcome to English class. I'm your English teacher, Mr. Oza, and it is time for us to work on classwork number 67. Today's chapter is called The Meeting. And of course, the novel that we are reading is The Kite Runner, written by the author Khaled Hosseini. So this is the 11th out of 12 chapters in this book. We got one chapter left after this. It's just about time for the exciting conclusion of The Kite Runner. So I hope you have liked the book so far, and we are almost at the end. Some quick instructions for this assignment, the same stuff that you are used to. You should have looked at 4 pictures by now, written 1 prediction and 1 question, which I will respond to if I haven't already. Thank you for watching this video. After this video is over, you're going to read the chapter. The PDF is linked in your Google Doc. You're going to fill out the Says Means Matters chart, and then you're going to do 1 open response question. So let's jump into those pictures and go over them together. First picture, we see this Taliban leader, this man in the dark sunglasses. He has Sohrab. Remember, we are looking for Amir's nephew, Sohrab. That has been our goal for the last couple of chapters. After Amir goes back to Afghanistan, he has made his decision to save the son of Hassan. He found out also that he and Hassan were actually half brothers, and so his nephew Sohrab was at a orphanage. And this Taliban leader, we don't know his name, but we will learn his name in the chapter today. This Taliban leader has Amir's nephew, and the identity of this character, oh, well, it might surprise you. I don't want to give it away here in this chapter, but when you find out the identity of this particular character, I think you will find it interesting. You may even already be able to guess who it is. So Amir is here, and he has set up a meeting with this Taliban leader. As you can see, they are here in this room together. This Taliban leader is actually making the boy dance for him. It is a very uncomfortable situation here for Amir, who is sitting here on this couch. You can see these guys have rifles, probably Kalashnikov assault rifles. So these are like the Taliban guards here. And this is sitting on the couch in the white clothing. This is the leader of the Taliban group here. And so how is this all going to play out? Amir is in a very scary, stressful situation. He obviously wants to take home Sohrab, and he wants to, make things right, find his redemption, and save the son of Hassan. Will he be able to do it? We will find out soon. It's not going to be easy, obviously, with these 3 guards here. This Taliban leader, we assume that he is armed as well. In fact, he is. And I will not say much about this slide here. You guys may be already able to guess what's going to happen here. We have brass knuckles. You may remember these from earlier in the book, all the way back to chapter 2. And we also have a slingshot. Again, maybe you remember these items all the way back from chapter 2. So I don't want to say too much. I want you to read this and enjoy it for yourself. We have the Taliban leader in the dark sunglasses, identity unknown. You'll read the chapter and you'll find out. We're trying to save Sohrab, the son of Hassan and Amir's nephew, here in the Taliban kind of headquarters building. Slingshot is involved, and a pair of brass knuckles is involved as well. So once this video is done, please read the chapter on your own. It's a very exciting chapter. It's an action-packed scene. Click on the link in your Google Doc to pull up that PDF, and then you're going to fill out the SMM chart. Just remember to please put in citations, the author's last name and the page number in parentheses with a period after, right? Make sure that you put in those citations when you are grabbing a quote straight from the book, all right? And then if there is no description of what's happening, you look at the quote and you write me a description of what is happening. All right, so you're just going to fill out the blanks in these boxes and, of course, explain why each quote matters, why each quote is important, why did you find them interesting. All right, after you're done with that step, your open response, as always, you're just sharing your opinion and you are using some sort of evidence from the text, either a quote from the novel or a quote from anywhere else, your own research, your own shows or movies or books that you have read in the past, anything like that, any quote from anywhere to kind of support your answer with a little bit of evidence. And there is a rubric there, a grading rubric to help you. If you just follow that grading rubric, you will do just fine. And as far as finding your textual evidence, remember you have 4 quotes right here in this column, 2 that you found, 2 that I gave to you. If you want to save some time, make it a little easier on yourself, you can just use a quote from there. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. We are almost done with the book. We have 1 chapter left after this one. So again, I really hope that you have enjoyed this story. Pretty crazy, pretty dramatic, especially today's chapter. So if you have any questions, get in touch with me. As always, I hope you all have a great class.